this is probably a good device for anybody who has a bench and they need a cheap bench vise. Got this off of Amazon, AliExpress for a couple of bucks. It's a little, feels clunky, but it actually isn't. It's all metal. Good if you use if you fix watches in that or something small. It would be better if you were to put some rubber in here, maybe glue some rubber. Right now it's just bare aluminum. But let me show you. It does clip the device or surfaces pretty good. It's pretty solid, and you can pretty much put anything in it. Piece of plastic. Holds. Like I said, I'm going to modify it, but for a couple of bucks that I paid for it, it's pretty good. Yeah, I'm just going to take some really thick foam and glue it on the inside of this, just so it doesn't mar anything that I'm holding it to. Other than that, I mean, you eat what you get. I think I paid $6 for it. I'll leave a link in the description, but machine-wise, it could be worse. Take it easy.